When replacing an LCD touchpad harness, use a flathead screwdriver to pry the screen forward at the indent in the top center of the bevel. Then continue to pry around the edges until it is popped free and removed by hand. Disconnect the harness from the back of the screen and from the controller. Then insert your new harness into the controller and feed it back to the mounting point. Pass it through the cutout in the bevel and connect it to the rear of the touchpad. Finally, reinstall the touchpad by popping it into place and then test for proper function.